Hey guys, I'm here with another BTC update, and let's go to the chart and see what happened to the last prediction I gave and what are the new things I have spot in the market. And let's get into the live chart here. So I'm on BTC Bitstamp exchange here. So these are the datas I am using regularly in this channel. Okay, not regular, I mean frequent days I'm using this. Okay, the recent days I'm using these key levels. Okay, and these are playing out very well. So in the last video I mentioned you that. This 1,15,000 and 1,14,000 price range should be what mitigated. Okay, I predicted a breakout in this triangle pattern. Okay, so I predicted to the downside. My probability was for the downside. So if it happened for the downside, market will pump healthily. Okay, I told you in the previous video. So and I told you to confirm the direction, it should break this 1,16,193 price level. So it has broken and has made a drop to the range that I told you. Okay, so let's see whether I told you or not. And also you can see that if the market, okay, if the market broke to the downside, it could go for this 1,14,000 and 1,15,000 range, and it could bounce back. So if the market broke to the downside, I'm expecting for the market to broke to the downside. So it could be a healthy move for the upside. If the market broke to the downside, it could mitigate this 1,14,000 and 1,15,000 price range, and we can see a good bounce. So guys, you saw the video, and the market is exactly playing as I predicted. And what I see now is market should rally from here. Okay, so all the things has happened here. Okay, I'll just show you. So we have this trend line. Again, the subscription and in the alerts I told this. So this trend line, this could be a good support area to bounce off. So market exactly mitigated that level, and it's now bouncing off this off level. Okay, so to confirm the upward direction, we should break this 1,16,193 price level. Okay, so if it breaks in the retest, we can go for a long. Okay, if it even breaks this 1,21,000, and you can hold the position until $1,32,000. So in the CME gap, let's go to the CME gap. So it's also completely filled. Okay, so if you take a look at the CME gap, it has completely filled here. Okay, no any single gap, it has filled. So this was the thing that was waiting for. So what I'm expecting now is for a pump from here. Okay, so this could be a healthy one. And also in some videos I have mentioned that we are in a what head and shoulder pattern here. Okay, I'll just show you that. So if you take a look at here, you can see we have a head and shoulder. Okay, so in one of the video I have told you, it's a previous video, no, it can't be. Okay, so we have this left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. We had a good breakout. Okay, we had a aggressive breakout here. Now market came for a retest, and it's bouncing off from this trend line. Okay, so it has also already broken this blue line. Okay, it has broken the blue line above here. So now you should wait for the market to break above the 1,16,000 level. Okay, 1,16,000, and then we can long for the BTC. Okay, that's a confirmation you can take. And also I have compared the USD dominance chart as well. Let's go to the USD dominance chart here, and the same exact thing that I predicted happened here. Okay, so this was the BTC scenario here. So what I expected was when the market was here, I expected a pump through to this resistance area. So market exactly played out as I predicted. Okay, you can watch in the last video. So I'll play out the previous video where I mentioned this scenario. Okay, so you can watch that. You can see that market. Okay, see the market, it's still struggling in this 4.3 key level. Okay, see See the selling pressure. Every time, see the first time it broke, we had a good selling pressure. The second time we had a good selling pressure. Okay, I mean, compared to the first one, the second one was less. So now market could go higher. So if you compare that with the BTC chart, then the breakout for the downside is expected, right? So it could go higher in the BTC chart. Okay, so I'm expecting for the dominant chart to go higher bit. Okay, go higher, can even go for this resistance here. Okay, and drop from there. So guys, watch that both BTC and US dominance I have compared, and I did analyze. So both were correlated, but exactly. Okay, so now we can consider this green line, right? So the same goes for the BTC as well. Okay, so in the BTC we have 1,16,000 price level. In here we have 4.3%. Okay, this has a good key level. So this should break, then we can expect a drop to this trend line. Okay, the support area. The same thing can go for the BTC. Okay, if this made like this, then the BTC will break the 16 on 1,16,000 and it will go higher prices like 1,32,000. So that's what I see in the market right now. So we can see that we are forming another pattern also here. You see, it's like can break to the downside. Okay, and also it can bounce from this area also and go for a small breakout and can go drop. Okay, like that. So the main scenario I'm seeing here is a drop to the downside. Look for the breakouts in here. If you have rejections, better close the long positions. Okay, so guys, this also can happen. Okay, so I'm talking about the bullish a while ago, so I'll just tell you what are the bearish scenarios. So if the market, okay, if the market rejected from this green line, we can expect a little higher price movement in the US dominance. So keep this in the mind and let's go to the BTC chart. Okay, so here that could happen. Okay, if the US dominance chart was rejecting 4.3 percentage price level, I mean that key level, this could range here and it could fall for this levels. Okay, could fall for this level. So watch out for that. If you get rejection in both USD dominance and here, you better not enter any long position. Okay, look for short entries, and if the market drops here, you can look for long entries in these areas. Okay, to be a good option for you. So if that happens, I'll post a video on that. So now watch out for this 1,16,000 price level to be broken upside. Okay, so if the market broke the upside with strong bullish candles, then market could go higher. If it made weak candles, okay, like I'll show you like what, like rejection panel candles, right? Like this, okay, like this rejection, you can go for a short portion, okay, but a scalp one. Okay, so that's all I see in the market. So keep in mind about the key points that I told you, and let's see what will happen in the market. Okay, so stay tuned until the next update. So I'll end up the video here. Bye guys.